A very good morning, my dear friends. I'm Vishal Thakre, your social science teacher. Today we are learn Standard 6, Semester 1, Chapter number 7, Gujarat Location, Boundary and Physiography. So first of all, we see the location of Gujarat state. Now this is the Indian map. So are you able to see which side of Gujarat is located? Yes, this is a Gujarat state. So which side Gujarat state is located? West side, right. Our Gujarat state is located from the west side of India. Now we see the boundary of Gujarat state. There are two types of boundary of Gujarat state. First is a sea boundary and second is a land boundary. So first of all we see the sea boundary. So in this map we see the Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea. This is the lays to the west side of Gujarat and the sea boundary of 1600 km long of the Gujarat state. It is the longest boundary among the all states of India. This is the Arabian Sea and this is the sea boundary of the Gujarat, and it is the 1600 km long, and it is the longest boundary of among the all states of India. It is all about sea boundary. Now let's see the land boundary. So land boundary, there is a east side. The east side of Gujarat is located from the Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The east side of Gujarat is located Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. And the west side of Gujarat, Arabian Sea is located. Then the north side of the Gujarat, Rajasthan is located. Then side of northwest, this side is international land boundary. This side is Pakistan is situated from the northwest side of the Gujarat. Okay, this is the Pakistan. This is situated from the northwest side of Gujarat state, and this is the international boundary, land boundary of the Gujarat state. Okay, and the last south side of Gujarat state, there is a group of combat is located, and this is the all about the land boundary of the Gujarat state. So now let's going to the now we see the expansion of the Gujarat state. This is the our Gujarat state map. So there are four sides. This is the east, this is the west, this is the north, and this is the south. So our Gujarat state north south length is 590 kilometers. Our Gujarat state north south length is 590 kilometers, and our Gujarat state east west length is 500 kilometers. Our Gujarat state east west length is 500 kilometers, and our Gujarat state total geographical area is 1,96,024 square kilometers. Okay, this is our Gujarat state total geographical area. Okay, how many? 1,96,024 square kilometers. Okay, it is only 6% of India's total area. Okay, it is only 6% of the total area of India. It is all about expansion of the our Gujarat state. So now we going to the next, land of Gujarat. Our land of Gujarat is divided into four parts. So first is North Gujarat. This is the north part of the Gujarat. So it's called North Gujarat. Second is South Gujarat. This is the south part of the Gujarat. So it's called South Gujarat. Third is Central Gujarat. This is the central part of the Gujarat. So it's called Central Gujarat. And Saurashtra and Kutch is the fourth part of the land of the Gujarat state. So these are the part of land of Gujarat. Next, physiography of the Gujarat state. So what is physiography? Physiography refers to the various landforms. So first we see the plain area of the Gujarat state. So major part of Gujarat consists of plain area, and it is all made up by the alluvial soil. This all is the alluvial soil. Okay, this soil is a very fertile. And south and central Gujarat, this is the south and this is the central Gujarat plains area is more fertile. This area is the more fertile area, and population of also dense here of the south and central area of the Gujarat state. Okay, my dear student, so you understand the plain area is the major part of cover the Gujarat state, and this is the made by the alluvial soil. You understand? So now we're going to the next type is hilly and mountain area. So hilly and mountain area is divided into three regions. First is Tal Gujarat Hills, second is Saurashtra Hills, and third is Kutch Hills. So this is the three regions of the hilly and mountain areas of Gujarat state. This is the Tal Gujarat Hills, this is the Saurashtra Hills, and this is the Kutch area, so Kutch Hills. Okay, so this is the all about the hilly and mountain areas. So you understand this topic. So now we're going to the next. Next we see the desert area of the Gujarat state. Okay, so where is the desert area in our Gujarat state? Do you know? So desert area is come from the Kutch area. Okay, okay. So in this area is we called Kutch area. Okay, in this area there is a not sandy but full of salt. When we see the moonlight means at a night time, that time this area is looks like a white bed cover. Okay, my dear student, when you see the dark night means moonlight of the night time, that time this area is look like a white bed cover. तो हमें रात्रि में ऐसा लगेगा कि हमारा डिजर्ट एरिया कच्छ एरिया यह सो गया है, वह भी वाइट चादर ओढ़े हुए सो गया है। इस तरह हम रात्रि में मूनलाइट में देख सकते हैं कच्छ एरिया को। दिस इज द ऑल अबाउट desert area of the Gujarat state. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all understand the Gujarat location, boundary, and physiography. Now meet next day, next video. Thank you for watching video. Thank you. Have a good day.